Welcome to the A1 Listening Development course. Our goal in this course is to improve your listening skills. Just make sure you're in a quiet environment. It's best to close your eyes while listening and focus on listening. Repeat each episode as you listen. Let's get started. Hello and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast for Beginners Level A1. This is episode 9 talking about the weather. In this episode, we will focus on how to talk about the weather in English. You will learn useful vocabulary, common phrases, and sentence patterns to describe different types of weather. We will also practice a longer conversation and include more examples in listening practice. Let us begin. Part 1: Vocabulary, Weather and Seasons. Let us start with the most common weather words. Sunny, when the sun is shining and the sky is clear. Cloudy, when there are many clouds in the sky. Rainy, when water is falling from the sky. Windy, when the wind is blowing strongly. Snowy, when snow is falling from the sky. Stormy, with rain, thunder, and lightning. Foggy, hard to see because of thick mist. Hot, very warm. Cold, very low temperature. Warm, a little hot but comfortable. Cool, a little cold but nice. Dry, no rain or water. Wet, full of water or rain. Now let us talk about the 4 seasons. Spring, flowers bloom and the weather gets warmer. Summer, it is hot and sunny. Autumn or fall, it is cool and leaves fall from trees. Winter, it is cold and snowy in many places. Try repeating the words after me. Part 2: Useful phrases and sentences. Here are some useful phrases to describe the weather. It is sunny today. The sky is clear and blue. It is raining outside. Take your umbrella, it is rainy. It is very windy today. It looks like snow. It is foggy, I cannot see very well. It is hot in the summer. It is cold in the winter. The weather is nice and warm. Today is dry and sunny. It is wet and stormy outside. Practice these sentences aloud. Part 3: Describing seasons. Let us talk more about seasons and what the weather is like in each one. In spring, the weather is warm and flowers bloom. In summer, the days are long and it is hot and sunny. In autumn or fall, the weather is cool and the leaves change color. In winter, it is very cold and it often snows. Here are more examples. I wear light clothes in summer because it is hot. In winter, I wear a coat, boots, and gloves. I enjoy walking in the park during spring. Autumn is my favorite season because it is not too hot or too cold. Part 4: Conversation, talking about the weather. Let us listen to a longer conversation between 2 friends. A says, "Hello, how are you today?" B says, "I am good, but the weather is strange today." A says, "Really, what is it like?" B says, "It was sunny in the morning, but now it is cloudy and windy." A says, "That happens a lot in spring." B says, "Yes, yesterday it rained all day." A says, "I like rain sometimes, especially at night." B says, "I do not mind rain, but I hate strong wind." A says, "Me too, it is hard to walk when it is very windy." B says, "What season do you like best?" A says, "I think I like autumn, it is cool and comfortable." B says, "I like summer because I can go to the beach." A says, "That sounds nice, I do not like hot weather much." B says, "I understand everyone has their favorite." Try to listen again and repeat parts of the conversation. Then try to make your own version. Part 5: Practice questions. Now let us practice. I will ask you some questions. Pause and answer in English. What is the weather like today? Do you like rainy weather? What season is it now? What do you wear when it is cold? What do you do when it is hot and sunny? Sample answer. Today the weather is cool and a little windy. I like this kind of weather because it feels fresh in winter. I wear a jacket and a scarf in summer. I drink a lot of water and stay in the shade. Part 6 Grammar Tip. Using it is for weather. Here is a useful grammar tip. When we talk about the weather in English, we often use the expression it is or it's. It is sunny. It is cold today. It is raining outside. It is going to snow. We do not say the weather is rain. We say it is rainy. To ask questions, use these. What is the weather like today? How is the weather now? Is it cold or hot outside? Do you think it will rain? Part 7 More practice. Listening sentences. Let us try some more listening. Listen and repeat. It is very cold today. It is going to be sunny tomorrow. I think it will rain later. The weather is perfect for a walk. Be careful, it is very foggy. I love snow but not the cold. The wind is strong today. It is warm and dry this afternoon. You can write these sentences in a notebook and practice every day. Part 8 Review and Final Tips. Today you learned common weather vocabulary, how to describe the weather using it is, sentences for each season, a full conversation, practice questions and a grammar tip. To improve your English, describe the weather every day. You can say today is sunny or it is raining outside. This will help you use English naturally. Thank you for listening to episode 9 of the English Learning Podcast. See you in episode 10.